Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to a brand new vlog. अभी हम उठे हैं और about 1 hour ago और प्लान ये है कि हम लोग जा रहे हैं लेक डिस्ट्रिक्ट for one day trip. Today is my day off, so let's go. Let's see. It's 5 in the morning and we're leaving right now. I'll take you along with me. Just stop at the gas station right now. I'm gonna try to check the fridge before I go. Everything looks fine at the moment. Just stop at the gas station to get some drinks, get some snacks. Now we're headed off to there. The gas is full now. Let's go. Guys, we're halfway there now. What options do we want to select? Just got finished with the break. Now back. We have finally reached our destination and we are gonna start the track now. I think it's about an hour or 2 hours. Let's see. It's like this, and we're going all the way up. That's the water noise. Let's start, but first we need to change up. So before we start this journey, as you can see, I am all geared up to go. I've got the hat on, the water jacket on, big shoes on. We're gonna take a quick toilet break and then we're gonna go. And some people are already going. The view here is crazy good. Track is quite hard. It's not about stamina, it's about your steps. Plus you're wearing trail shoes, they are a bit heavier, but check this out. I'll zoom in. That looks sick. Climbing now, going towards the waterfall. For a Monday, it's not even a holiday. It is quite busy, but the view is sick. The trail is quite steep, so where you place your foot, you have to be very careful. It's watery, it's muddy. Plus, I just saw a woman fell as well. Thank God she didn't hit her head, but it is quite steep and muddy. Look, it's literally like that all the way. The best part is you can hear the birds. I'm here early morning. It's only 10 a.m. and you can hear the waterfall as well, I think, in the background. Feel like jumping in there, but I think it's gonna be a bit too cold. Took a route to see the water closely, and it's getting harder now. But found a place to take a picture. Finally reaching the top now. Not that far to go, but the view just keeps getting better and better. Literally, you can't beat nature, man. You just can't beat it. It's just too beautiful, man. Too beautiful. Literally, it is a bit exhausting because it's too much mud. So whenever you put your step in, you kind of slip. But the view is something else. Let me show you from this side. Wait. Look at that. Uh, 60% of the journey is complete now. Nearly at the top, cross the waterfalls, just taking some videos. 50% of the journey is complete. Not 50, sorry, 80%. Done the trek all around the way, and now just enjoying the views. We're going back now. I think done about 4.5 miles of hiking, and I think now we're gonna go around and back down. But just look at the kind of lost right now. Trying to open up the maps right now, kind of lost, you know. Let's see where this takes us. Nearly done with the trek. I want to show you guys something. Look at this. Look at the view. Look at the view. Literally, it's gorgeous. You just can't beat that. Just walking through even here gave me goosebumps, man. Literally so beautiful, man. Literally. Finally, the trek has been completed. It was really gorgeous, you know. It's so pretty out there. Plus it's fresh. Plus it's a really good activity as well. Had a day off. Made a good decision to come. I was searching on and like weather is bad, this and that. The weather is okay. It's pretty much cold, but the best decision I made to come here. Rather than sitting at home watching Netflix, the best thing I did, I came here. I had so much fun. Over 2.5 hours done. Complete. Climbed those mountains. 6 miles.